Hi, I'm Cheerio, and this is my dad's workshop, Richard's Woodshop Surprises. Enjoy my video, and don't forget, my dad can make a portrait of you, just like you did of me. Don't forget to visit rws419.com. Enjoy! There I am. Please enjoy this video of me giving my dad, Richard, a hard time with the bottle. I want that bottle.
Oh yeah. But you just can't. You're not getting my bottle. I told you that earlier. I told you I need to reuse it. Don't get mad. Hey, no bark. Don't yell at me. You talk to me. You talk to me. Oh yeah? Are you gonna talk to me now? Are you getting mad? Are you getting mad because I'm not giving you the bottle? Are you? Oh yeah? Are you crying? I love you. I love you. I love you. Are you crying? I love you. But you still can't have the bottle. Because I'm going to drink the bottle. I'm going to drink from the bottle. See, this is the bottle that she wants. But this is the bottle that I'm using. And I fill it up with water so I can have something to drink. And she has water, so she's not thirsty. Because she has plenty of water. She just likes chewing on them. And I've spoiled her rotten. Are you spoiled rotten? Do you think you're spoiled rotten? Yeah, I know you're spoiled rotten. But she really wants this. Do you really want this? Yeah? You know, you're breaking my heart. I still haven't heard a good I love you yet, either. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Come on. Give me a good one. I love you. Come on, you're mumbling. I love you. Come on, say it. You're mumbling. Nobody can hear your mumbling. Say it clear. I love you. Come on, you can say it clearer than that. You did it earlier. Come on, I love you. I love you. That's singing. I don't want to hear you singing. I want to hear you say I love you. I love you. I love you. Cheerio. I love you.